Hello, I'm Jordan from Miro AI Studio. Start every product lifecycle with the Product Strategy Workshop template. This step-by-step framework helps you craft guardrails for your entire product strategy. Workshop your product vision collaboratively with your team using the provided blank template and worked examples. Define your strategic foundation before moving into tactical execution phases. This prevents scope creep and keeps teams aligned on core objectives throughout development. Use the Product Development Phases template to visualize and track progress across all lifecycle stages. This template provides both tactical views for process generalization and operational views for day-to-day activities and artifact management. Organize ideas collaboratively while tracking development through suggested phases, such as discovery, definition, design, development, and deployment. Adapt the phases to match your team's specific workflow and requirements. Create comprehensive product requirement documents using the PRD template. Structure project info, including objectives, use cases, and success metrics. Detail product aspects like functionality, interactivity, design specifications, and compliance requirements. Your PRD becomes the single source of truth that aligns design, development, and marketing teams on exactly what gets built and why. Connect all your lifecycle templates in one space, so strategy flows seamlessly through development phases to final requirements. Link strategic workshops to development tracking to detailed specifications. Your entire product organization can see the journey from concept to successful launch. Monitor progress across multiple products and maintain visibility into resource allocation and timeline dependencies. Subscribe for more product management tutorials that help you orchestrate successful product launches through structured planning. Thanks for watching.